Welcome to What's New in MicroStation 2024. In MicroStation 2024, users can now expand MicroStation functionality with the availability of Python. Take advantage of the vast community of public learning and resources. Make use of a growing library of over 60 built-in samples, which is supplemented by the open-source GitHub repository. The API documentation details all the MicroStation functions. Integrate with development environment favorites such as Visual Studio Code. Users now have endless possibilities for customization and tool creation with Python. You can now query and clear features precisely using a fence or named boundary. In this example, only features that are inside or overlapping the named boundary are queried, and only features that are inside or overlapping the fence are cleared. Imported shapefiles are now reprojected to the right location. MicroStation is now able to export to shapefiles, a well-known GIS format. Accelerate your performance with a faster text display, now 70% quicker for typing, pasting, and effortless scrolling. Optimize report generation by selecting common attributes across multiple item types and including them in the report columns. Additionally, preview multiple reports within the same window before finalizing placement. Efficiently populate tables with large datasets using the new Excel integration, leveraging the latest Excel libraries. Experience a remarkable improvement in performance when dealing with large projects that may have complex tables. Save time and effort while boosting productivity in MicroStation 2024 when placing tables, removing the frustration and time-consuming effort it may have taken in previous versions. Additionally, reduce costly errors by using existing data from Excel. Utilize the new options to refresh table data, and refresh the data and layout to synchronize the data as well as format the changes from Excel files to MicroStation. In this example, a table is placed from Excel with the Retain Association setting enabled. After placement, the user makes data and format changes to the table while in Excel. Then returns to MicroStation to refresh data and refresh data layout to match the table in Excel. Accelerate printing with multi-core processing, saving you valuable time. Unlock the full potential of your design workflow with MicroStation's multi-process plotting to PDF. By leveraging the power of multi-core processing, this innovative feature significantly reduces the time spent on printing, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, bringing your creative visions to life. With just a click, you can activate the multi-core option, and your complex designs will be swiftly transformed into high-quality PDFs, ready for sharing and collaboration. This isn't just a feature, it's a game-changer designed to enhance efficiency and productivity for professionals like you. Embrace the future of design documentation with MicroStation, where speed meets precision. Use the enhanced JT import option to import JT file attributes such as item types attached to elements for improved interoperability. Engage in advanced iTwin-enabled design workflows through the new Work-in-Progress iModel collaboration within the CAD environment. This integration allows for viewing, analyzing, and synchronizing work-in-progress iModels almost instantaneously, which enhances design collaboration workflows. Furthermore, it enables the rapid optimization of feedback and design iterations in multi-user workflows, ensuring that changes are refined before being committed to a shared iModel. Unlock greater design flexibility by applying constraints to the centroid of elements. Effortlessly explore recent cell libraries in the Cell Library dialog. Keep your data current with the Refresh Cell feature, ensuring cell definitions are updated instantly. Utilize the improved sheet workflow with sheet indexes from other worksets to create a master sheet index with multiple child sheet indices. Working on each index independently avoids file locking. And last, the technology preview features that were commercially released in MicroStation 2024. Anchor point, copy feature, item type text, loft solid with guide wires, minimum maximum value of variables, search parametric variables, select by variables, sort parametric variables. Download MicroStation 2024 today. Thanks for watching. What's new in MicroStation 2024?